Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Let's start with some cards. Number 7, breathe in. Practice breath work today. Breathe through your nose and out through your mouth. Let's see. I am worthy of loving. I am worth loving. I do not have to earn love. I am lovable because I exist. Others reflect the love I have for myself. Pause. Hesitate before speaking. Is the next thing you're about to say helpful? Will it lower or raise your vibration or the other person? Intuition. I honor and trust my intuition. My inner guidance leads me to the right decisions and actions. I am attuned to the subtle messages of the universe, guiding me towards my highest good. Dream visualization. Through the power of visualization, I vividly envision myself attaining my goals and embodying my dream life. I immerse myself in this mental imagery, infusing it with intense emotions and sensations, allowing the excitement of my future success to permeate my being. That one was a tongue twister for me. What else do we need to hear and see? A tree doesn't eat its own fruit. Your gifts are meant to bless others. Number 8533. Your brain is a piece of software. You update it by reading, challenging yourself, learning new skills, meditating, and meeting new people that think differently than you. Perspective number 2419. When you think people are judging you, you're actually judging yourself through other people. And the last one. The bravest thing you can do is tell yourself the truth. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos. Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Never forget how wildly capable you are. Reflect on and appreciate your own special strengths and abilities. List 3 skills or qualities that have helped you get where you are today. Don't overthink it. List the first 3 things that come to mind. You are stronger and more capable than you will ever know. Be impeccable with your word. Become a white magician. All the magic you possess is based on your word, and you cast spells all the time with your opinions. You can either put a spell on someone with your word, or you can release someone from a spell. Like always, take in what resonates and let go of the rest. Difficult road. Spirit of perseverance, being prepared for great things, walking the hard path in life. Do you feel you're on a difficult road? You are so special. You're truly divine. I've never felt energy like yours before, and I can't get enough. No one compares. No matter how many people I've met and experiences I have, there's no one who compares to you. How sweet. Harmony, strive for harmony, even amidst the storms. Chain, loyalty is the chain that links you together, unbreakable. Lock your commitment away from the world's interference. One, two, three, four. Good luck. Spirit guides, progress, justice, structure, systems, processes, discipline, rules. You are on the right track. Spiritual guides are supporting and encouraging to give your best effort. Success is within your reach. Stay observant of your surroundings and communicate clearly. Trust that everything will fall into place as it should. And our last card for today, before we go to our quotes. Mistakes. Allow me to know it's okay to make mistakes. Let me always take care of the inner child so he or she feels loved no matter what. Alrighty, let's try out this little envelope today. The person you're trying to become is more important than the person you used to be. Let go of the past for once. When you ask a simple question at work, it turns into a meeting. Or your kids ask a simple question that ends in a long debate or story. Perspective 639. Your body isn't a problem, it's a messenger, a healer, a guide, gently bringing you back home. Life will be beautiful, then hard, then wonderful, then tough, and all that really means is that you're alive, living, breathing, and every single day that you still are, you're still becoming. Perspective number 508. Let's change our perspective on love. Love is universal, an energy, a contagious force, a gift. To offer money to a homeless person is a gift. To save a worm or bug is to love. To smile at a stranger is love. To be grateful, to be hopeful, to be brave, to be forgiving, to be proud is to love. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios.